What's up, YouTube? Today I want to make a quick video of my mop. It's the O-Cedar. It's very good. In my description there will be a link in where to buy. As you can see, it comes just like this. You have your little foot pedal that will spin to dry it, so it won't be too wet. You see a nice little bucket, and that's the inside. As you can see, this is the mop, and it has the little turning thing right here, so I'll show you that in a couple. It goes in there. That's the mop. It's pretty cool. In my description I will have the mop and I will have some refills. Okay, as you can see, it is completely soaked. Put it in here. Now, holding the little top part right here, as you can see, you get the little kick. Now you do it how many times you want, and as you can see, it is not dripping anymore. One more time. As you can see, it's dripping. Place it in here. You can see, it is not dripping no more. I'm not gonna do it. So you can see that? See all that water coming out? Awesome. Well, that is it. Awesome mop. Recommend it. As you can see, it say Max right there. Recommend it. Recommend it is awesome. It also has a little handle. As you can see, awesome mop. Well, hope it's helpful. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.